Helldivers 2, going beyond the basic steps. Troubleshooting by platform. PC, Steam name. Ensure your Steam name adheres to character limitations, 3 to 16 characters, and avoids special symbols. These can cause issues with friend requests. Consider a temporary name change if needed. Steam overlay. Verify the Steam overlay is enabled in Steam settings to in-game. The overlay might be crucial for friend request handling. Firewall or antivirus. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if it's interfering with online functionality. Be sure to re-enable them afterwards for security. Steam integrity check. Right-click Helldivers 2 in your Steam library, go to Properties to Local Files to verify integrity of game files. This ensures no corrupted files hinder friend requests. Console, PS5, Account Privacy. Check your PSN privacy settings under Settings to Account Management to Privacy. Ensure who can send you friend requests isn't set to no one. Console restart. Sometimes a simple restart of your PS5 can resolve temporary glitches affecting online functionality. Network connection. Verify your internet connection is stable. Try a wired Ethernet connection for a more reliable link compared to Wi-Fi. Crossplay considerations. Crossplay settings. In Helldivers 2 settings, double-check that both you and your friend have crossplay enabled. Platform matchmaking. If facing issues specifically with crossplay friend requests, try joining a game on the same platform, PC or console, to see if friend requests work there. This can help isolate the problem to crossplay functionality. Advanced troubleshooting. Port forwarding. For particularly strict network setups, consider port forwarding for Helldivers 2. Consult your router's manual or manufacturer's website for specific instructions. This creates a direct path for communication between your console, PC and the game servers. Network troubleshooting. If none of the above solutions work, your network configuration might be the culprit. Try connecting to a different network, e.g., a friend's place, to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if it's an issue with your home network setup. Additionally,